If your Vegas vacation includes little ones, then the world-class Discovery Children's Museum needs to be on your short list.
Discovery Children's Museum is a nonprofit organization. We've been here in the community for 29 years, and we're very proud to be a hub of this community. Discovery Children's Museum is one of the largest children's museums in the country. We have 26,000 square feet of hands-on exhibits and play activities for children. All of our exhibits incorporate STEAM learning into their exhibits so that kids are learning as they're playing. So on the first floor, we start in Toddler Town, our area for little learners aged birth through 5. Adjacent to Toddler Town is our Fantasy Festival area where kids are learning about stage production, theater, and acting, and we also have a full-size pirate ship and castle where kids can play. In Waterworld, kids get to put on their raincoats and splash around, but they're learning about the force of water, and it powers our cities. We have an actual mini Hoover Dam, and there are lessons here about our most precious resource, water. So the Discovery Lab is our newest addition at the Discovery Children's Museum. It opened in February of 2019, and we're so proud of this space because it's the first public makerspace of its kind. We are offering no-tech to high-tech ways that children can learn here in the Discovery Lab. So Discovery Lab is on the second floor, which is the same floor as our Eco City. I love the Eco City because it's teaching children about working a job and earning a paycheck. We have a cafe, there's the Children's Hospital, they're helping to build the Raiders Stadium here in Las Vegas, and of course the grocery store, one of the most popular features here at Discovery Children's Museum. It's a very collaborative way of children learning and working and playing together. So third floor has our Young at Art exhibit where children are learning for the first time about line, perspective, visual thinking, texture, and Patents Pending is our area for our youngest inventors. Here they get to design inventions, build a car, test it out, see if their design is flight-worthy, earthquake-proof, you name it. We want kids to make a mistake, figure it out, and solve the problem that they want to solve. So our staff are one of the most engaged staffs at any children's museum I've ever seen. They're all educators. They are here to work with you and your child and to help them learn. One of our strongest partnerships at Discovery is with the Clark County School District. We welcome hundreds of Title I school children and other field trips here to the museum every year, and we take our programs into the community, both into the schools and throughout our valley. So our activities at Discovery Children's Museum change every day, and the best way to learn about those are to visit our website at discoverykidslv.org.
Well, that looks like a great place to explore, no matter how old you are.